Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Saima Mushtaq and our today's lecture topic is chronic pelvic infection. We divided this lecture into 5 sections. In the first section, we will talk about the clinical features and management of chronic pelvic infection. In this, we will talk about the pathology, clinical features, investigations, and management of chronic pelvic infections. In the second section, we will talk about the genital tuberculosis. And in this section, we will talk about the pathogenesis of genital tuberculosis, mode of spread of genital tuberculosis, and what's the pathology of different pelvic organs in case of tuberculosis. In the third section, we will talk about clinical features and diagnosis of genital tuberculosis. And in this, we will talk about what are the different investigations, how we diagnose, and what are the differential diagnoses of genital tuberculosis. In the fourth section, we will talk about what's the treatment, how we should approach to the patient with genital tuberculosis. And in the fifth and final section of our lecture topic, we will talk about vulval tuberculosis, cervical tuberculosis, and actinomyces infection. So all these topics will be covered in our section or in our lecture of chronic pelvic infection. So hopefully you are interested to learn more about chronic pelvic infections. So keep watching sqadia.com.